Delightful villa with awesome pond view. 2 bedrooms, den could be third with modifications. Vaulted ceilings, inside laundry with washer dryer and laundry tub, extended screen enclosed lanai, and 2-car garage. Light and bright. Meticulously maintained and lovingly cared for. Association covers roof and was replaced in 2011. Enjoy the community pool or take advantage of the tennis and basketball courts, playground, tons of sidewalks and beautiful water fountains. Ridgemoor is surrounded by the Brooker Creek Preserve, close to the Pinellas Trail, Chesnut Park with water access to Lake Tarpon, and lots of local shopping. Minutes to the local beaches and airports. Great location with great schools and an awesome place to call home. All information is deemed to be accurate but should be verified by buyer.